start with the pedal board. Goes like this. It has 8 notes, and they just repeat. You don't have time to look at the pedal board, and therefore it's important to use the references, like those black keys, to remember where they are. So the first note is D, which is in the middle of the 2 black keys, right in front of you. And the first A, you can find it by using that black key. And then you move your right foot immediately next to the left. And move your left down to F sharp, which is an easy note to find. And then move your right down here. And then right foot stay on the G while your left foot play on D. And G again, I would use the left foot to play the A. And to find that A, you will find the first G, which is pressed down already, the next A. That gives you enough time to play D with your right foot kick. When you play it over and over, it sounds like this. Obviously, this is faster than needed. So it sounds like that. So now we're going to move to the manual part. So we'll play bar 5 first, because bar 1 is basically the broken chord of bar 5. So it goes like this. With the middle finger, you move down everything else by 1 note. First 2 notes. And then move your hand down by 1. And do the same. Hold the middle finger and play the notes on the top and the bottom lower by 1. And then we move up. And I'm going to add the pedal board. Once you're familiar with the position, you can play the bar 1 to 4. These are exactly the same chords that you play in arpeggios. That's the first 8 bars sorted. And over here, the left hand is really easy. It has A, F, D, G, just 4 notes. You hold a note for each bar. Right hand, I will start with a scale with 3rd apart. Usually, if you are learning a new piece, you might want to play left hand first. And then you play right hand. And then you play everything together. Then the next 4 bars is just a small variation from the top one. Same note. But it's basically the same as the previous notes. The notes are the same, it's just changing of the rhythm. And now we're going to move down to the next part. It has more expressive melody. The left hand is the same. It's A, F sharp, D, G. So it sounds like this. the next page, we have a run of a scale. If you find it challenging to play that, you might just want to repeat the things we previously done. Skip that part. But if you want to do, one way to learn those fast movement is to play the dotted rhythm. Yeah. And then you play the run. Yeah. Yeah. So let's do it. Gradually we add a pedal. Yeah, so that's that. Once you're familiar with right hand pedal, we're going to add the left hand. As you can see, the left hand still have A, F sharp, D, and G. At last 4 bars, we just gradually bring it down to the end.